begin this tour of Rye where I spent the night. The Old Borough Arms at the bottom of Mermaid Street. This is one of Britain's most photographed streets, known for its Tudor and Georgian buildings. Halfway up is the Mermaid Inn, which gave the street its name. It dates back to the 12th century and was a notorious haunt for smugglers back in the day. Continuing up Mermaid Street, we approach the top of Rye. From here, we make our way towards Church Square and the grand St. Mary the Virgin Church. Its roots stretch back to the mid-12th century, with the nave built in the late 1100s and major rebuilding in the 14th and 15th centuries. Set high on the hill of the Old Town, it has dominated the skyline for over 900 years. Stepping inside the main body of the church, you can take in the soaring arches, stained glass windows and the stonework. The church was badly damaged during the French raid of 1377. The roof collapsed and the bells were stolen and carried off to Normandy. Now we head up the tower. Beware, the climb is narrow and winding, but worth every careful step. In the first room, we pause to look at the mechanism of the church clock. But we continue the climb, eventually reaching a small hatch that opens onto the roof. Outside, an incredible view stretches across the ancient streets below and the estuary beyond. From this vantage point, you get a sense of Rye's maritime history, once a key English port and a place of strategic defence, shipping and smuggling. Below you can spot Rye Castle, which we'll visit next. The castle dates to the 13th century, and the gun garden outside still shows cannons angled as if ready to defend against attackers. Inside, the museum shows what life was like in the fortress through its exhibits and preserved stone chambers. From the battlements, you get views of the English Channel, a reminder of how close this town sits to France. There's also a medieval toilet and the old prison. The castle also has a small walled garden. Next, we wander along Watchbell Street, one of the ancient lanes of Rye. This historic bell dates back to 1740. We head back towards the centre of town. We rejoin at the bottom of Mermaid Street, where we started. The Mint is another of Rye's historic streets and was once an administrative district. Today it's lined with small shops, galleries and cottages. A short walk brings us to the High Street, the commercial heart of Rye. It's full of independent businesses which preserves its charm, and it doesn't feel too commercialised. Turning up Lion Street, we climb gently back towards the church. As you retrace your steps, you get a sense of just how compact this quaint town really is. At the top of Lion Street is a small independent cinema housed in a converted Victorian building, a reminder of the arts culture here. We continue along to the edge of town, to another viewing platform on the East Cliff. Nearby is the Landgate, the only surviving fortified gateway into Rye, built in 1329 when the town was heavily defended against French attacks. Beyond the Landgate, we leave the old walled town behind. And from here, we take a short drive. A few minutes away is Rye Harbour. The River Rother once carried large ships directly to the town before the coastline receded. Today, the harbour is a mix of fishing boats, sailing vessels, and nature. It's quieter than it would have been, but still active. The William the Conqueror pub is a reminder that this coastline has seen numerous invasions. Last up is Rye Harbour Nature Reserve, a vast, windswept landscape of shingle, marsh and wetlands. On this crisp autumn day, it feels wild, open but also peaceful. Scattered here near the coastline are pillboxes, small concrete forts built during the Second World War. They were part of Britain's coastal defences, ready for a German invasion. On the far side of the river is Camber Sands, with its golden beach. But we finish our tour on the rocky side as we reach the English Channel, on the southern shores of this historic area. If you want more tours from the UK and beyond, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.